welcome to AI Path. Core Agent Systems, Part 5, the finale. We've covered a lot in this series. Building blocks, memory, reasoning, multi-agent. Today we put it all together. We'll design one small but real agent, end to end, and you'll see every single concept from the first 4 videos show up in the same place. Let's build it. The agent we're building is a personal research assistant. Here's the job. You give it a topic, like should I switch to a standing desk, and it goes off, searches the web, reads a few sources, remembers what you've asked before, and writes you a 1-page summary with sources. Simple to describe, but it actually needs every concept from this series. A model. Tools to search and read. Memory of past topics. A planner to decide what to read. A loop to keep going. Guardrails to filter out junk. And a touch of multi-agent for the writing step. Let's wire it all up. Here's how it all wires up. At the center is the researcher agent. It uses Claude or GPT as its model. Its tools are web search, fetch page, and save note. Its memory has 2 layers, short-term, the current research session, and long-term, a small database of past topics and key facts. When you ask a new question, it first checks long-term memory. Have I researched this before? If yes, start from there. Then it plans, I'll search for 3 angles, read the top result for each, and write a summary. That's plan then execute as the outer loop. Inside each step, it reacts, search, read, decide if it's useful, save the note, repeat. That's react on the inside. When it has enough notes, it hands off to a second agent, the writer. That's the multi-agent piece. The writer takes the notes and produces the 1-page summary, then a reviewer agent checks the sources. 3 agents total. Supervisor pattern. Simple. Let's run through the 6 building blocks one more time, but this time with the actual research agent in mind. Block 1, the model, any solid LLM works. Block 2, tools, web search, fetch page, save note. 3 small functions. Block 3, memory, short-term holds the current session. Long-term holds your past topics in a tiny vector database. Before each new question, the agent does a quick lookup. Block 4, the planner, plan then execute. The agent writes a 3-step plan first, then runs it. Block 5, the loop, inside each step, react. Search, read, decide, save, repeat. Block 6, guardrails, the reviewer agent rejects sources from low-quality sites, and there's a hard cap on how many pages the agent can fetch per session so it can't spend $100 by accident. That's it. 6 blocks, 3 agents, 1 useful product. Now your turn. The best way to actually learn this is to build one. Here are 3 project ideas, ranked from easiest to hardest. Easiest, a personal FAQ bot. 1 agent, 1 tool that searches your notes, memory across conversations. Done in an afternoon. Medium, a code review helper. 1 agent, 2 tools, reads a pull request, leaves comments. Add a guardrail that skips files over a certain size so it doesn't blow your token budget. Hardest, the research assistant we just designed. 3 agents, real tools, real memory, real guardrails. A weekend project, but it'll teach you everything. Pick the one that excites you. Stuck for ideas? Just take any task you do every week and ask, could an agent do this? Most of the time, the answer is yes. And that wraps up Series 14, Core Agent Systems. 5 videos, 1 story. An agent is a model plus tools, memory, a planner, a loop, and guardrails. It reasons before acting. It plans the big shape and reacts inside. And when 1 agent isn't enough, it teams up with others. Next series we go deeper into the wiring layer, MCP, the protocol that lets agents talk to any tool, anywhere. If this whole series helped, please subscribe and share it with someone who's just getting started with agents. See you in Series 15.